Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Ready to discover cool tricks for making eye-catching designs with Canva Dream Lab? Open Canva, click the three dots on the left panel, then select DreamLab. Type in the box to generate new images for your Canva design. Let's try creating something together right now. Select a horse with fierce eyes and a strong muscular build. Add a colorful aura around it. Next, choose the style for the image from the available options. You can generate a 3D render by selecting the landscape aspect ratio and image type. Once set, click Submit to start the rendering process. Wait for DreamLab to generate your free image. Here is an image of a horse with eyes and a blue body. This is the result we get when applying the red color setting. After choosing your parts, you can add them to your car body and see the updated size reflected immediately. Click Edit to adjust the image. You can change the temperature by selecting the temperature option. You can also modify specific elements within the image for further customization. This adds a subtle sense of sensation. Next, apply a touch of light to enhance the effect. Copy the image address, then close the window. Here is the final image. Click Share, then Download. You can paste the link for the best quality. For printing, use PDF print, then download for optimal results. Now you know how to create with Canva Dream Lab. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.